Remember the last Motorola video we unboxed? It was underwater. This time, we've got something very special for you, 40,000 feet up in the air.
Welcome to your first class trip, Mr. Ali.
Hello from the first class of Emirates Airlines, where we are now cruising at roughly 40,000 feet. What's the special unboxing? A very special phone. This is the Motorola Razr 40 Ultra. Let's do it. Alright, so let's go ahead and open this box. Now on the side it says plastic-free packaging. Motorola is working towards sustainability, which is great. Inside the box we have this plastic case and some documentation. For the charger, there's a 33-watt charger included in the box and a USB-A to USB-C cable. And here is the star of the show, the Motorola Razr 40 Ultra. It's got a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor, 8 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of storage on it. Motorola is using Gorilla Glass Victus on the front and back of the phone. There are two cameras on the front. The first primary one is a 12 megapixel, while the ultra-wide is 13 megapixel. On the inside, you get another 32 megapixel selfie camera, all of which are capable of recording 4K at 30 FPS. What really stands out about the Razr 40 Ultra is the external screen. It's the largest we've ever seen on a foldable flip phone, with a super high resolution at 420 plus dpi and 140 Hz display. It's just stunning. The inside screen is POLED and it has 165 Hz refresh rate, which is even faster than the external screen, and it's a beauty. It's a 20:9 aspect ratio, so it's slightly narrower than last year's Motorola. So this is what the lifestyle of rich looks like. I could get used to this. Help a brother out. Subscribe and like this video.